So now we will see about what is memory. So this is a topic comes under cognitive process. So what is meant by memory is memory consists in remembering what has been previously learned. So in simple, what we have learned earlier. So that we have to recall it. Then only it is called as memory. Means we are having the capacity to recall the concept what we have read or what we have learned. So that is about memory. So this is the definition for memory. So there are some factors which is influencing memory. So let us have a glance on factors which is influencing memory. So there are two types of factors. One is extrinsic factors and another one is intrinsic factors. So extrinsic factors is nothing but the external sources which is influencing our memory. And intrinsic factors is inside us. What are all the factors which will boost up the memory? So these are all the two factors which is influencing memory. So first we see about the extrinsic factors. So extrinsic factors, first one is meaningfulness of the material. So the material should have meaning. Then only we can able to memorize. Then second one is amount of material, means amount, the capacity of the material. So if it is too long and too bigger, we couldn't memorize. So if it is short, we can memorize. Then time required to vocalize the response. So time, what is the time period we have taken to vocalize, means we have to recall it, we have to tell those things whatever we have studied. So if we are vocalizing it, then automatically our memory will be improved. Then last one in extrinsic factor is distraction. So distraction is nothing but if we got distracted, means without distraction, if we have the concept to read, then it could be easily memorized. Then these are all the extrinsic factors. Then comes to intrinsic factors, age is there. So that is depends upon the age, our memory level will be increased. And sometimes old age, when we become old, so there is a chance of memory loss also. Then maturity. So maturity makes the man to get memorized the particular concept. Then will to learn. Will to learn is nothing but willing to learn. How much willingness I have to learn this particular material. Then interest and attention. So if you read a material or if you read a content, first thing we have to have interest. Yes, I have to learn this, I have to study this. So that interest is must. Then intelligence. So depend upon the intelligence level, because intelligence levels will change from one person to another person. So depend upon the intelligence level also the memory will be there. Then rest and sleep. So we should have adequate rest and sleep. So as you know, the normal the rest period, that is the sleeping time period, is 6 to 8 hours. So adequate sleep we should have and adequate rest we should have. If we have this both, it will boost up our memory. Then last one is medical conditions. So medical conditions, if we have any comorbid illness, so there is a chance of poor memory. So that is the last point of intrinsic factor. So this is about factors influencing memory, that is intrinsic and extrinsic factors. So thank you. Today I'll wind up the class.